Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Rocket today, we're diving into the latest and greatest from Samsung. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has finally been announced, marking Samsung's newest entry into the book-style foldable market. While the Galaxy Z Fold line was once the undisputed king, the competition has caught up, leaving us eagerly anticipating what the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 might bring to the table. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 didn't see many meaningful upgrades, but Samsung still stands tall with its unparalleled software experience. So, what can we expect from Samsung's next book-style foldable? Let's break down everything we know so far. Pricing details for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 are still under wraps, but rumors suggest it might be a bit pricier due to the increased costs of the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This isn't just a Samsung issue. The Galaxy S25 series is also expected to see price hikes for the same reason. With the Fold 6 already struggling at its $1,799 price point, a price increase could be a tough sell. Design-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold series has faced stiff competition from the likes of the OnePlus Open and Google's Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Globally, Samsung's lead is even more challenged by devices like the Honor Magic V3, Vivo X Fold 3 Pro, and Huawei's Mate X6. The Galaxy Z Fold SE, introduced in late October 2024, gave us a sneak peek at what the Fold 7 might offer. Rumors suggest a larger 6.5-inch cover screen and an 8-inch main display. If Samsung keeps everything else the same, the Fold 7 could be thinner and lighter than the Fold 6. However, this might come at the cost of dropping S Pen support, which we hope isn't the case. In January 2025, an interview with Fastprint by the Elec revealed that Samsung isn't planning any major changes for the Fold 7, with significant updates expected in the Z8 series in 2026. Moving past the design, we have a good idea of the Fold 7 specs. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite is expected to power the device, offering a 45% boost in performance and 40% more efficiency than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Performance benchmarks for the Snapdragon 8 Elite are impressive, with the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro achieving a single-core score of 3,137 and a multi-core score of 9,936 in Geekbench 6. In comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 scores 2039 and 6367, respectively. We expect the Fold 7 to follow the Galaxy S25's lead, potentially offering up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Camera upgrades are another big question. The Fold 6 has stuck with the same 50MP/10MP/12MP setup for years. The Fold SE, however, features a 200MP main lens, a 10MP telephoto camera, and a 12MP ultrawide sensor. Even a main camera upgrade would be a significant draw for potential buyers. Battery life is another area where we hope to see improvements. The Fold 7 might stick with a 4,400 mAh battery and 25W wired charging, but we're hoping for better. In conclusion, 2025 could be the year Samsung finally listens to its fans and delivers a foldable that's both innovative and high-performing. The most likely scenario is that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 adopts the design of the Fold SE while incorporating the performance upgrades of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. With plenty of time before the expected launch, more details are sure to emerge. So, what features are you most excited about for the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news and updates. Mobile Phone Rocket.